Formula One is a global sport, racing on 5 continents. But when you look closely, Europe dominates everything. Most teams, drivers, factories, and even the culture of F1 are European. So why did the world's fastest sport become so Eurocentric? Let's break it down. Formula One was officially founded in 1950, and its first championship race was held at Silverstone in the UK. But even before that, Grand Prix racing already thrived in Europe. Countries like Italy, France, Germany, and the UK had decades of motorsport history. Iconic tracks such as Monza, Spa-Francorchamps, and Monaco existed long before F1, giving Europe a massive head start. Simply put, Formula One grew from European roots. Today, most F1 teams are based in Europe, especially in the UK. This region is often called Motorsport Valley, home to teams like Mercedes, Red Bull, McLaren, Williams, and Aston Martin. Why does this matter? Because having factories close together makes it easier to hire top engineers, share suppliers, develop cars faster, reduce travel and logistics costs. Europe became the technical heart of Formula One, and that advantage keeps growing. European drivers benefit from strong junior racing systems. Karting, Formula 4, Formula 3, and Formula 2 are deeply rooted in Europe, with hundreds of tracks and competitions. Young drivers in Europe can start racing as early as age 5, competing every weekend against elite talent. This constant competition creates better drivers and explains why many F1 champions come from Europe. Motorsport is expensive, and Europe has wealthy sponsors. Car manufacturers like Ferrari, Mercedes, Renault, and Red Bull. Strong automotive industries. European companies have invested in racing for decades, making it easier for European teams and drivers to secure funding and survive long-term. F1 has expanded massively, with races in the USA, Middle East, Asia, and Australia. But even as the calendar becomes global, the power center stays European. Cars are still built and designed there. Rules are shaped by European teams, and most decision-makers come from Europe. Other regions are catching up, but Europe's head start is enormous. So why is Formula One dominated by Europe? Because that's where it was born, built, and perfected.